Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And today I am doing a little bit of shopping and I'm taking you along with me as I share the home decor and interior design trends of 2021. I hope you all enjoy the video. If you do, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and turn those notification bells on so you don't miss another video. So first of all, I thought I would check out my favourite homeware store, which is When and Where. They do have a website if anyone would like to check it out, so you can purchase some of these things online. So some of the home decor pieces that you can expect to see this season are lots of neutral products and woven products. So we did see a bit of rattan coming sort of trending at the end of last year, and it's definitely still the in thing at the moment. So if you're thinking light, airy, warm color palette, which is actually being paired up with some of the cooler tones of grey as well, which is an interesting mix, but it actually looks really great together and is a beautiful calming color considering the year that we've just had. Some of the trending things in home decor this year is definitely line drawings, and all your faces on the planters that you see is definitely a trend in home decors. They're pretty much seeing them all around in all the shops today that I've been in, and lots of texture. So this is in like your textiles, like your cushions and throws and stuff like that, as well as your home furnishings. I must say one of my favourite products in this shop would have to be these woven leaf looking things. I think they're really cool. They were like $25 each, but again, this is a place that you go for those statement pieces, those wow pieces in your home. And one of the other things that you'll notice in home decor trends are woven light fixtures and statement pieces of furniture. Last year we saw a massive trend of greenery around our houses with real plants, and this year we are going for the dried flowers. So if you can't afford the dried flowers, then you can see heaps of different ones that you can get around, and we're going for those earthy tones as well. So the greenery is still definitely in fashion, but we are also going for the dried flower and all those earthy tones as well. So now we're just hitting up Target. This is a much more affordable place to shop. I did want to make sure that I was putting both sorts of things into my video, of high-end and something that is a bit more affordable. So these guys still have some great products and is definitely a go-to place for that home organization, or you know, sort of like your baskets for your throw rugs and stuff like that that are going to be on display. So definitely check these guys out, and they've even got these really cute ones for kids as well. On to the cushion area, we are seeing again these really earthy tones and basically colours of nature. So this is what we're all seeing this season in home decor. And again, lots of different textures, but the most exciting thing that I did see is these cushion covers. So if you have pets and kids, obviously our stuff gets so dirty so quickly, so these are a much more affordable way and a better way of storing, you know, big bulky cushions. There's covers. And now we are in one of my favourite places for eventual home living, and just looking at the couches and stuff like that here, you can see how they've used the grey tones and the warm colour palette together and how they've just married it perfectly. So some of the things you're going to be seeing in this year are light coloured furniture and light coloured flooring, as well as, you know, again, just your natural colours. So I love these tissue boxes. I think these are great. They're a great way of hiding that visual clutter, and they are just a practical element if you do actually, you know, have heaps of home decor already. This is just something that you can add that actually has function. So if you do need some white and green in your house, then they have the most amazing selection of beautiful, realistic looking flowers. Now, if you are really into the woven look, then this is a place to go for a massive selection of woven chairs. This season we are also seeing lots of curves and arches back in homes, and also painting your window frames black. So if you can't do this, then this is a perfect way of incorporating that into your home. Now I had to show you this bed. How dreamy is this bed? It's such a beautiful colour palette. And I am so in love with this table. And now for one of my favourite places, which is Adairs. This is a place that I go to for all my really cute little pieces for my daughter's room and bedding, but sometimes I do buy some of my bedding from here. A lot of my fake plants come from here because they have really, really good fake plants. But this season they have heaps of rattan furniture, and they've got a lot of really good fake, not only plants, but they also have a really good range of fake dried plants as well, and natural plants. So, you know, like your gum leaves and stuff like that. Kangaroo paw I've seen. They've got a really gorgeous range in the shop. And how cool are these plant stands? I think they're my favourite. And so far today, I think this has been the biggest range I have seen in throws. There's pretty much any sort of neutral color palette and texture you could possibly think of that's on here. And again, the same in throws, there is heaps of different selections to choose from. Now, of course, I couldn't help myself but to stop by the kids section because, as I said, it is one of my favorite places to buy little kids decor pieces. So there is a great range of different pieces that you'll find for the bedroom, and I think this bunny cushion here would be also cute to put up at Easter time. So last year we did see a lot of the vintage wash linen, and this season we're still seeing some of the same, but we're coming back in again with all that texture and with all of our natural earth colours. So of course I did have to add Kmart to this video because it is one of those places that pretty much anyone can afford to go to, and some of my go-to pieces I would say from here would have to be their furniture products, just because they are at that cheaper price range if you are wanting that. But some of my favorite things I've seen this year would have to be their lighting. They've got a lot of really cute rattan pieces that make that statement in your room. Kmart is also a great place to pick up plant stands and stuff like that for your plants, and they also at that lower end of the scale where, you know, Target didn't really cater for that, so this is a great place to also go. Another thing that I love from here is their selection of rugs, and that is because look at the price points. They're like $69 and $89 for a massive big rug. How can you seriously go wrong with that? And now for a quick stop at Ikea, and we are seeing two-toned cabinetry. So the top cabinets are a different colour to the bottom cabinets, which I think is great, especially for people who have young children and, you know, they're leaving lots of marks on the furniture and they're quite busy, so it's just going to be easier for you guys for cleaning, obviously. Last home decor trend which excites me is slips on your couches and chairs and stuff like that, and excites me because again I have pets and kids, so you can get these in all these different colours as well, so you know you can mix and match with the seasons. So I think that this is great. So thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe, turn the notification bells on, and check me out on Facebook and Instagram during the week if you want to see a bit more from me, and I will catch up with you next week for another video. We'll see you then. Bye.